Productivity apps promise to make us feel better, faster, and more efficient. But what if they are just making us feel productive but not actually getting things done? So today we are going to break down 5 of the most popular productivity apps so to see if they are actually tools or traps. Let's start with Notion, the king of organization, pages, databases, templates. It feels like you are building a second brain. But here's the catch. Sometimes we spend hours designing a workspace instead of actually working. Guilty as charged, I once spent 3 hours on selecting a cover for my Notion page. Next up, YouTube. It's a goldmine of productivity tips, tutorials, and motivational content. But it's also a black hole. 1 second you are watching a study vlog, and 3 hours later you deep into conspiracy theories about squirrels. So, yes, YouTube can boost productivity, but only if you don't get distracted. Then there is ChatGPT, your AI assistant. Great for brainstorming, writing help, and even planning your day. But it can also become a crutch. Are you actually thinking or just outsourcing your brain? So use it as tool, not a replacement for effort. Google Calendar is like your personal manager. You can block time, set reminders, and plan your week. But here's the twist, making a perfect schedule doesn't guarantee you follow it. It is only as powerful as your discipline. So remember, calendar doesn't drag you into your desk. Finally, the beloved Pomodoro timer. 25 minutes of deep work, 5-minute breaks. Sounds perfect, right? But constantly checking the timer can actually break your flow instead of helping it. It works great, but only if you use it as a tool, not a rulebook. So if you ask me, productivity apps are useful, yeah, but only if you use it in control. Remember that productivity apps doesn't make you productive, your habits do. So don't just download productivity, build it. So, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments which productivity app helps you the most and which one secretly wastes your time.